Okay, note 6.1 part 3, types of compounds. So we've discussed ionic and covalent compounds. There's also two more types of compounds that we can address. Well, first of all, let's go ahead and define what a compound is. Yeah, a compound is a chemical unit held together by bonds. Compounds can be categorized by the type of bond holding the compound together. Now let's just forget that. We'll just say it's a chemical unit held together by bonds. Okay, so we've got ionic compounds. How can we tell? They usually start with a metal. Again, metal and nonmetal. Covalent compounds, nonmetals. Okay, what about organic compounds? There's a special type of compounds called organic compounds, and these contain carbon. Okay, anytime you see a compound that contains carbon, we can classify it as organic. And then lastly, what about acids? Acids always start with an H. Okay, it starts with an H. So let's go ahead and try to classify these. Calcium chloride, metal, nonmetal, that's ionic. C3H6O, that could be any number of things, but that's the chemical formula, C3H6O. The fact that it's got carbon in it is a dead giveaway that it is organic. In fact, there's an entire branch of chemistry called organic chemistry, OChem, and it's based on nothing but carbon compounds. Very interesting stuff. HF. Well, the fact that there's an H in front tells me that's an acid. In fact, that's called hydrofluoric acid. Okay, that's an acid. P4O10. Phosphorus, nonmetal. Oxygen, nonmetal. Okay, so that's going to be covalent. H2SO4. Well, I know that there's an H in front of this SO4, so that's a dead giveaway that that's an acid, and in fact that's sulfuric acid. BaNO3, barium nitrate. That's barium is a metal, nitrate is a non-metal. Okay, so that's going to be ionic. With regard to Lewis structures is really its own. There's a whole lesson for that, and I don't know why we're trying to cram it all into this, but we don't need to know that right now. Okay, we'll go back to, I can teach you Lewis structures later. So that will be the end of 6.1 notes.